What's up, everybody? And today we're gonna be today we're gonna be just doing how to get Twitter from chat. So yeah, I'm gonna put it right there. So go to Google Chrome, and then there's a website called roblox.com/promo codes. So now you wanna go to there and so now I'm gonna go to press for the enter your code, put tweet Roblox. Or you're gonna have to so I'm just gonna actually tell you, but no. So yeah, now you wanna go back to the Roblox. So go to Roblox, and then you're gonna have Twitter.